right, here we go. Grom with new exhaust. Wow. It sounds so good. I love it. All right, so I love the exhaust, that's for sure. I love the sound it makes. I love that deep tone. The pipe's already switching colors with the heat, which is awesome. And it seems like the bike comes alive a little bit more. It could just be me, but it definitely seems like it pulls a little harder up hills. That I'm getting just a little bit more power out of it. It could just be the sound, I don't know, but it's definitely fun. I think it looks better. It is definitely lighter than the stock exhaust, which is really nice. Yeah, I had some issues getting one bolt off the stock exhaust. I ended up stripping one of the sockets, but ended up getting it off, and so far so good. I'm liking the $80 Amazon exhaust. We be gromming. We be gromming. Oh. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, hit that little bell so you know when the next adventure drops.